Hey guys, if you are looking to make at least 30,000 rupees every month by working from home, then this video is for you. Today I'll be sharing with you 3 jobs that you can do from home and can make at least 30,000 to 1 lakh rupees. I will also be telling you what skills you will require to get these jobs. Stay tuned. So welcome to the video. Now we all know that work from home is a new trend that is going on, and the way I observe the market, it looks like that the demand is gonna be everlasting. Now the beauty about work from home is that you have control over your time and skills. And when you have control over your time and skills, there is no cap on how much you can earn. Now practically how much you can earn depends on the efforts you take. However, earning 30,000 working from home is gonna be a new norm. So let us go ahead and explore the job that has an earning potential of rupees 30,000 or more every month. So the first job is social media content creator. Now we all know that digital marketing is a booming industry and it has an exponential potential to grow, and social media content creator is a small segment that comes under digital marketing. So what happens is that whenever you serve a company handle on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest or anywhere else, you see that there are multiple content that company uses to promote their brand or product. And these contents are in the form of videos, audios, graphic designing, etc. Your job as a social media content creator is to create these content for the companies. Now initially this might look very overwhelming, but actually it is not, because there is lots and lots of demand to create social media content only related to graphics. So initially you can start creating content as a graphic designer for social media, and then you can diversify into writing, you can diversify into video, and you can diversify into audio or any other option that you see. Now just to give you an idea, graphic designing means the artwork that you see on the social media pages and posts of the company. So when you talk about the skills, you need to learn Photoshop to design the artwork. However, initially as you are starting up, your target audience will be small and medium entrepreneurs, and they are not going to be rigid about you using the Photoshop. They are just interested in you delivering the content rather than what software you are using. In this case, you can use Canva. So what is Canva? Canva is a website and an application that helps you to design social media posts very easily. It's a ready-made template graphic designing software that can make your work easy, and you will need this during your initial phase when you're targeting small and medium entrepreneurs. Now practically it will not take you more than a week to become an expert in Canva. You have to just create your ID and start using the free version and start creating the artwork for social media posts. Now apart from this, you also need to understand the vision of the brand with whom you're going to associate for the work. Now let's say if you're communicating with a brand that is into clothing and they want you to design their social media post. So you need to understand what exactly their vision is and how exactly they promote their company's product and market. Now once you understand what the brand needs, you can follow their competitors page to see what exactly market is trending about. And you can see what kind of social media posts they are posting, what kind of hashtag they are using, and what kind of artwork they are designing. And that's how you can deliver market trending content to your client as well. Meanwhile, it is also suggested that you go ahead and learn Photoshop as you grow. This will help you to tap the clients who are very much clear and adamant about what software you are using, and this will help you to grow again. Now when it comes to charging, you can charge at least 10 to 15,000 per month per client and deliver their brand 2 or 3 social media posts daily. Now this includes for 2 or 3 accounts, that is Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. However, you are free to customize your offer based on your understanding of your client. This could be like delivering 1 post for 3 accounts or delivering 3 posts for all 3 accounts. It could be anything. However, the industry standard is delivering 2 posts daily for 3 accounts. That's Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. To touch base the earning of 30,000 rupees, you will need around 3 to 4 clients every month. Now, if you're good at marketing and you can convert good amount of clients, then you can earn at least 1 lakh rupees every month. That's the high side and that's very much possible. So focus on that as well. Comment below and let me know if you want me to make a separate video on where you can find these clients. Let us move to job number 2. So number 2 is video editing. It's very simple. All you have to do is edit videos. However, there are 2 kinds of segment here. One is raw editing and another one is professional editing. Raw editing is all about removing the unwanted clips from the actual video and adding some fonts, doing a basic color correction, etc. On the other hand, professional editing is all about editing the video in a professional way by adding some fancy fonts, playing with camera angles, etc. etc. Initially, you can only start by offering raw editing services and still make a good amount of money because of its high demand in the market. Now to begin your journey, all you need is a mobile phone or a laptop. Also, initially you do not have to buy any fancy software. You can start with free software that is available on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Your job will be to take a raw video file from the client that they have shot and edit them as per their requirement. Maybe some client needs you to remove the bloopers or the mistakes. Some client needs you to remove something else. Whatever your client's requirement is, you need to do that. All you have to do is take a video file from the client, edit it, make it clean, make it smooth and deliver it back to the client. For practice, all you have to do is download a free editing software or an app that is available on the internet, download a video that is available on the internet and start editing that video. Even if you practice 2 to 3 hours daily, you can become an expert in raw editing in less than a week. Now the question is, who will be your target audience? See, video marketing is any which way skyrocketing, so everyone needs a video editor. However, initially your target audience will be small and medium entrepreneurs, independent YouTubers and tutorial designers. You can approach them through portals or through your independent contact network and offer your raw editing services to them. Now if you talk about the earnings, the average is around 1000 rupees for 1 hour of video. So let us say if client has approached you with a video that is of 1 hour in length and he or she is telling you to remove unwanted clips from that and add a few basic titles here and there. For that video you can charge 1000 rupees. So now if you calculate, to touch the earning of 30,000 rupees, you will need to edit 30 hours of video every month. Now I know people who are disconnected from this industry might feel that that is too much of work, but actually that is not that much of work. To edit 30 hours of video, and that too only with raw cut, will take you around 7 to 8 days. That's all. So earning 30,000 rupees as a video editor only and only for raw cut thing is very much possible. On a higher side, if you have good marketing and if you have good network, you can make at least 1.5 to 2 lakh every month. Number 3 is online teaching. So welcome to the online world where everything happens online, including teaching. Your job here is to teach the skills that you know to your students in a structured way and in a simplified manner. Now when you talk about skills, you do not need any additional skills. You can start with anything that you know. If you are good at chess, you can teach chess. If you are good at indoor games, you can teach indoor games. Academics, yoga, computer, maths, anything and everything is fine. Now it is wise initially you only teach what you are expert at or what you know very well. So basically this will also save you time and it will also give you some genuine audience who are actually interested to learn from you. Also, it's an easiest way to earn money. See, how does it sound? You are good at chess, you are teaching chess online and you are making money. It's very much simple and it's very much trending job that's going on in the market right now. Now the question is, who are your target audience? Anyone and everyone who wants to learn your skill. There is no limit here in terms of age or anything else. Anyone who wants to learn your skills, they can just come in contact with you and you can start tutoring them. Now there are two ways to capture your market. First is online by registering on different portal as a teacher and offer your skills. And the second way is by creating your independent brand as a teacher or as a founder of an academic organization. Both options are good. However, it is wise initially you register on the multiple online portal, and once you create a good market for yourself, go independent. If you talk about charges, you can charge around 1000 rupees per hour for the skills that you are offering. Now this doesn't include any hi-fi skills, this could even go more, but we are talking about basic skills like chess, carom, indoor games, basic academics, computers, etc. So to touch the earning of 30,000 rupees a month, you need to teach your skills for at least 30 hours in a month. Now looking at the market trend, this is very much manageable and the higher earning side can go up to 1 lakh rupees also. So these were the 3 jobs that can help you to get at least 30,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees every month. All you have to do is be a bit disciplined, be a bit creative, and success will be yours. Now comment below and let me know if you want me to make a separate video on how and where you can find clients for these kind of businesses. If you found the video helpful, then share it with as many people as you can. And also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you are notified about my new video as soon as I upload them. Thanks once again for watching. My name is Samir. Until we meet next, stay awesome.